In this video, we're going to be creating a little improvisation. The left hand is going to have block triads on the white keys, these sorts of every other tone for 3 tones. I can move this hand position all over on the keys. Okay? The right hand is going to have a similar hand position, but instead of the triad, 1 and 3 and 5, we're going to not use the middle finger. We're going to just use the outer 2, the thumb and the pinky. This is an open 5th on the white keys, or a power chord. And we can move this around. Okay, the left hand and the right hand are going to be moving in tandem. They're going to be on the same, or in the same position. This is a D position, named by the bottommost tone. And this is also in the D position. So we're going to be moving around kind of like this. A position, G position, D position, F position, A position, G position. That was with the rhythms, everybody doing the same rhythm together. It's an easy thing to coordinate if everything is sort of pistoning at the exact same time. Let's take it down. I could have one of these just pulsing, and this one either holding A, or maybe it's a little bit more active. Let's do that again. Have this pulsing at this pace, I could do it double time. And maybe this one is not as active. So you get the idea. They can both work at the same time. Or this could be pulsing, and this could be more active. What about this one having a steady pulse? And this one either holding or maybe this one has a little bit more activity. Coordinate if you have something that is steady and the other item is syncopated, hitting between the pulses or between the beats. That's trickier, but it's super fun. Maybe this one is now double time, and this one's just held. Or maybe this has more of a rhythm. Let's go here. Do the same rhythm. And then right, but you get the idea. Block triads and block open fifths. I believe that's what we were doing. Anyway, have fun with that combination of ideas.